Rain has been a thorn in the side of everyone, but some towns are dealing with some serious flooding. Last night's rain caused the complete failure of a culvert on Pointlick Drive. The culvert was made with a hollowed out fuel tank and installed over 50 years ago. That tank was pulled out of place and then pushed vertically by rushing water. It was found standing straight up in the creek bed, and water then rushed over the sides and reached the front steps of people's homes. Family members living on the creek united to handle the problem themselves.
She'd heard a loud boom, and apparently it was the culvert standing up. So anyway, she stayed put because she had no way of really getting out at that point. It was raining so good, and knew the rain was going to quit. So she backed out and stuff, and then we got a message early this morning. My brother-in-law called me, so I rounded up the truck and met him here, and my other brother-in-law, and we all got together to get it out.
Residents joked that removing a culvert normally requires a permit, but Mother Nature went ahead without one anyway.